Timmy here, and today we're going to be building our PC. So really quick, let's just go over our parts we have. So our processor is an i5-6500 Skylake 14nm CPU. So I know Kaby Lake and AMD Zen is right around the corner, but I really don't feel like waiting. Kaby Lake only offers about a 5% increase in performance, and I don't really care about that. And then Zen, we haven't really heard much about it, and I'm not going to be waiting that long. So moving on, we've got our H100M, a motherboard from ASUS. We got 1x8GB Ballistic Sports LT. So my motherboard only has like 2 RAM slots, so I went with 8GB, like a 1x8 one, running in single channel RAM. I'm gonna be upgrading to I'm gonna be upgrading RAM soon, probably to 16GB. So yeah. And then my power supply is a 600-watt EVGA power supply. So I got it for sale, and it's a bit overkill, but it was on sale for like $30, so I had to take up the offer. And then our case here is a Corsair Spec Alpha, pretty sexy case if you ask me. And then there's also like a side glass panel or something. I don't have my graphics card right now, and so I can tell you that it's a XFX RX 480 XXX OC edition. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked about that. And yeah.
Alright, so in total this thing costs around $700 US. I'll be using this PC for gaming, recording, YouTube, and school as well. I didn't record any footage of me building the PC, but I can show you some benchmarks. Alright, that's all I have for you guys today. So I'll see you in the next one, and peace out.